The first time the radiator is turned on, it will ask you to set the time and day. If this is not done immediately, then you can set it after you have set your program. In order to turn the radiator on, press the power button. The display will change from 4 dashes to a temperature and one of 5 operation modes. This image shows program mode. There are 4 control buttons on the Sunray heater. These buttons will change the function depending on what mode you are in. Operation mode or program button, decrease temperature and economy choice, increase temperature and comfort choice, power on off, frost protection clear selection, and configure mode. To begin programming the Sunray heater, press and hold the clock button until the display shows PROG. This allows you to program the first day of the week. The heating times are now programmed using the 3 buttons, minus, plus and power. The minus button will set economy temperatures. When this button is pressed, a single bar will be shown. The plus button will set comfort temperatures. When this button is pressed, a double bar will be shown. The power button will set the heater for frost protection and will not show any heating indication. This button is also used to clear the program by pressing it repeatedly or by holding the button down. Each bar or double bar represents 1 hour. Each time one of the above buttons is pressed, the time of day moves forwards by 1 hour. The programming time is shown by a flashing bar. The Sunray operates on a 24-hour cycle, which you can see on the bottom of the screen. To complete the day's programming, the clock button is pressed once to move to the next day. The day indicator arrow will move to the next day. To copy the same program from one day to the next day without entering all the times again, you can press and hold the clock button down until the arrow, which you will see on the left-hand side, moves to the next day. Once the arrow moves, let go and press and hold to copy again. Setting the time can only be carried out after programming is complete. To set the time, first you must set the days of the week. There will be a small arrow pointing to the numbers on the left-hand side of the screen. These numbers are the days of the week, 1 for Monday, 2 for Tuesday, etc. Select the correct day by pressing the minus or plus buttons. When you have the correct day selected, press the clock button and release. Now that the day of week is selected, you can now set the time of day. The hours will now flash. Set the correct hour of the day with the minus or plus buttons and press the clock button. The minutes will now flash. Set the minutes in the same way and press the clock button to complete setting the time and programming. If you wish to lock the keypad to prevent any accidental changes, press and hold the minus and plus buttons together for 5 seconds. The display will change and show BLOC on the display. To unlock, press and hold the minus and plus buttons together for 5 seconds.